having an amazing time, and it's great.
It's heaven. It's foodie heaven.
Oh my gosh, there's some great food here and amazing wine.
It's great to be here for the weekend. We've got all the chefs here, people who love food, wine, cocktails.
The flavors were great. There was a lot of variety. I'm knocked out. I thought it was terrific.
It's stunning. It really is stunning, and I can't wait to come back.
You guys are so lucky, and you know what? The rest of the country just doesn't know what they're missing.